In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the place where your order reached in Amazon. Whether you're eagerly awaiting a package or just want to keep tabs on its journey, knowing how to track your order on Amazon is essential. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open the Amazon app on your smartphone or tablet. You'll recognize it by the familiar Amazon logo against a white background. If this is your first time or you're not currently logged into your account, you'll need to press the three horizontal lines icon, or what's often referred to as the hamburger menu, located in the top left corner. From here, find and tap on Sign In. Just enter your Amazon email address and password, making sure to double check for any typos, because even a small error like a misplaced dot can prevent you from logging in. Once you're in, you'll want to locate that same three-line icon again in the top left corner. Give it a tap and you'll notice a menu sliding out from the side of your screen. This menu is basically your gateway to all the different features Amazon has to offer on its app. Within this menu, you'll see an option labeled Your Orders. Tapping on Your Orders takes you to a comprehensive list of every order you've made, showing both your current and some of your past purchases. It's your personal order history hub. At this point, you'll want to choose the specific order that you're interested in tracking. This might require you to scroll through your list of purchases, especially if you're a frequent Amazon shopper. Once you've found the order you want to track, tap on it. This action will open up the order details page, providing more in-depth information about that particular order. Now this is where you'll find the tracking information you need. Here you'll be able to see the current location of your order, which typically includes the city and state. You can also view any previous stops it made along its shipping route. This step is particularly useful if you're trying to gauge how soon your package might arrive at your doorstep, or if you're just curious about where it's been. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be able to track the progress of your package on Amazon without any hassle. It's a straightforward process, yet immensely helpful when you're looking forward to receiving something special via mail. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to check out other videos to make the most of your Amazon experience. Happy tracking!